Hello everyone, welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. I'm going to start a new series on Red Hat Enterprise Linux or RHEL. My, my name is Raman Sharma. I will be the instructor for this training. Now, what this tutorial is for? This is for everyone. If you are new to Linux, if you are new to Red Hat, if you are intermediate level in the system administrator for Linux, this training is for you. If you are preparing for Linux Foundation course, if you are preparing for RHCSA, Red Hat Certified System Administrator, which is the entry level exam, or if you are preparing for Red Hat Certified Engineer, or if you are preparing for Red Hat Certified Administrator. So not completely for RHCA because here it includes other components like OpenShift. It has DevOps. For DevOps, I have a separate series. I will share that link in the description. So you can just if you want to watch DevOps series, so you can watch that one. So this will be a complete tutorial where we will talk about a lot of things and all the notes are already prepared. So you can just go to https and github.com. So here you will find all the tutorial and KMIT solution. So this is the repository link, and especially for Linux, you just type Linux. So this will be the Linux, and here you will find RHEL. And here you will find all the notes which I'm gonna discuss in this training. So this will be a very lengthy training. I don't know, it will be more than 100 lectures. And I will make the lectures short so that, you can easily practice it. Initially, some lectures, which is for the beginners, that is for operating system, what is operating system, how the kernel works, what are the different types of kernels, Linux history, and Linux distribution. So this will be more theoretical, but after this complete section, all the lectures will be hands-on lecture, practical lectures. So we will learn the concept by executing the commands, by understanding the concept, by running those commands practically. Okay, so stay tuned and we will be discussing Linux in very detail. Okay, so let's meet on next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.